All right. 99 Eldorado. Northstar engine. 3 things to look for to make sure your car doesn't overheat. My car hasn't overheated, but I've been checking all the ports and things that makes it overheat. One thing you need to understand, on your recovery tank, it has this line. Runs underneath, runs across, connects over here to that port right there. It normally clogs at the end of the tip of the line where it comes from the metal. As you can see, the metal does rust up to the rubber. Gets to this port right there. My port is fine because I've been checking on it every couple of months. But if I didn't, that's what you need to be concerned with. That port right there runs all the way around and it connects. I don't know if I can get to it, but back here it connects back here to this rubber line. That's another port that can clog. This rubber tube can clog. All right, that rubber tube connects to this port, which goes back to this water housing that sits on top of the thermostat housing. All right, right on the back side of your water pump. This valve, as you can see, can screw in and out, but that valve, see how tiny that little hole is, can clog up. So you need to check this valve, check this hose, that tube at the top, and the hose going back to the recovery tank. That line clogs up tremendously. So if your car runs hot, you can't figure it out, you're kind of losing some coolant, but you're really not. Those are the 3 places you want to check. And also, what happened to my car, as you can see, there's a connection down here under the reservoir tank where it connects the reservoir to the water lines that runs for the circulation of the car. There's a junction, like a T-bar section. Actually, it's like a Y section that connects all 3 of these lines. Mine rusted out on me. So check that too, those can clog. What I'm doing on this car right now, radiator need to be replaced. It's on the back side of the radiator, nice crack developed. You really can't tell, but this section of the radiator is bulging where this part overheated, cracked. Car never overheated, but the radiator cracked. So that's what you do for a 99. This is a 99, but I believe it goes from the 97 to maybe the 2002 Northstar engines. The Eldorados, all 3 models, the base, the ESC, the ETC, the DeVilles, the 99, DeVille, the Concours, and the Del Elegantes. Now, one thing to remember, if you open up your cooling system, you need to put these in there when you're filling it back up. If you read your owner's manual, it says use these sealant tabs. You put 3 in, maybe 4. When you adding your fluid, your coolant back in, that helps keeps these engines treated, helps prevent the overheating factor. There you go for the Northstar engine.